This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 011-2397-1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Governor Satya Malik and Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday condoled the death of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika, and 11 others on board an Indian Air Force helicopter which crashed near Coonoor in Tamil Nadu. The governor in his tweet expressed shock over the untimely demise of General Rawat, his wife, and the brave soldiers in the helicopter crash, and said that India has lost one of its bravest sons. He conveyed his condolences to the bereaved families. Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma also joined the entire nation in mourning the loss of the first of Chief of Defence Staff in the unfortunate accident. My heart goes out to the families of the victims of this terrible tragedy. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday said that the government will hold consultations with all stakeholders and representatives of political parties on the interstate boundary issue after examining the reports of the 3 regional committees before having a final meeting with the Assam government. The Chief Minister said that the government is working on resolving the dispute in the 6 less complicated areas at the earliest. The 2 regional committees for Rebhoy headed by Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong and West Khasi Hills District headed by PHE Minister Rengington Lingdo Tongkhar have submitted their report to the Chief Minister yesterday. Meanwhile, Home Minister Lakshman Rumboy, who heads the regional committee for East Jaintia Hills, said that teams for East Jaintia Hills and Kachar district will again meet to resolve some issues before submitting the report on or before the 15th of this month. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister in charge Power Prestone Tynsong said that the state has a huge outstanding liability of more than 2,000 crore rupees that has accumulated over a decade, and the state government was working on decreasing it by clearing dues on a monthly basis. This is huge and it was inherited over a period of 10 to 15 years, he said. According to Tynsong, the government was trying its best to clear outstanding dues of the department and Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Talking about the acceptance of smart meters, Tynsong said that there has to be acceptance since smart metering will help both the corporation as well as the consumers, since no manipulation can be done and there would be no error in the billing system. Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Chowna Mein said that Arunachal has huge hydropower potential and the state government is leaving no stone unturned to harness these resources by developing large and small hydroelectric projects wherever feasible. Mein, who is the minister in charge of hydropower, said this after dedicating the Namchik Phase 1 mini hydro system 2 into 250 kilowatts and Phase 2 mini hydro system of 2 into 150 kilowatts to the people of Changlang district. He said that the power generated from this micro hydro project will benefit the people of 2 administrative headquarters, Manmao and Renuk and its nearby villages in the district. The Deputy Chief Minister added that the centre and the state government is aiming to transform the power supply system by upgrading and strengthening the power distribution system in the country for a modern and viable power supply. Assam reported on COVID-19 deaths yesterday, while 134 new cases pushed the tally to 6,18,042, and the National Health Mission Bulletin said. The number of active cases currently in the state is 1,194. The number of positive cases detected during the day declined to 134, with the positivity rate falling to 0.41% from 0.45% on Tuesday. The death toll remained at 6,127 as no new fatality due to the infection was reported. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.